Greatest great that I could never underrate. I don't know, someone, it's all about the singles, the reggae collection out courtesy of the One Cello Culture, and this one is called Takunanja. Takunanja with reggae. I just want you to listen to this track, yeah. Tell me what you think about it. 073-116-8045. Talk to me on the one, but listen to the track, yeah. Rapture. Into the musical thing, yeah. Cello Culture. What? Every joy, fire the
Easy, better je no easy. Aya, asi mafani easy. Mama zakutapira po easy, better je no easy. Aya, asi mafani easy.
Wait. Bullet.
You get the musical tinkle.
One thing I like about reggae music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. The message is in the music, and the music is in the message. It's a big reggae song. Reggae sound.